Good evening and thanks for joining us. It's been a deadly few days on and off road for drivers and passengers in the Wabash Valley. We have updates from 3 different crashes tonight, plus the latest in 2 additional death investigations. We begin our top story tonight with 1 man dead and another in court today after what police are saying was a drunk driving crash. News 10's Lacey Clifton joins us with details. Lacey?
Patrice, the accident itself happened just after 3 a.m. on Saturday in the area of U.S. Highway 41 and Lambert Avenue. The driver in the crash sustained non-life-threatening injuries. Unfortunately, the passenger passed away. Now, family and friends are mourning the loss of Trevor Huckle. A life ended too soon.
Bright, sweet, loving.
Words to describe 19-year-old Trevor Huckle of Terre Haute. Huckle was a passenger in a car that crashed in Vigo County this weekend. Huckle died in that crash. Police say alcohol and high speed were factors. That's why family and friends gathered at a vigil Sunday night to spread a message and celebrate Huckle's life.
Just don't drink and drive. If it saves one life, just one, it's so important.
21-year-old Charles Shoup was the driver. Police say Shoup's blood alcohol content was 0.23%. Monday in court, Shoup heard the charges against him, the most serious of which are a level 5 felony for operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated resulting in death, as well as a level 4 felony for being over a 0.15 blood alcohol content while driving resulting in death.
The tragedy of 2 lives being lost, both of them so young, one of them with a child.
A member of the victim's family actually spoke on Shoup's behalf. Prosecutor Terry Modisett says he made a request that some may find unusual.
The victim's family came into court and said that the defendant in this case was like family to them, and they requested that he actually, if he was able to post bond, that he be allowed to come to the funeral, and that if he couldn't post bond, that still he be allowed to be released for purposes of coming to the funeral.
Clearly, many hearts grieve the loss of Trevor Huckle.
Always had a kind word and the best hugs. I think that's what I'll miss the most.
In Vigo County with Chief Photojournalist Mike Latta, Lacey Clifton, News 10. There's an online account collecting funds for Huckle's funeral expenses. We have that information on our website, WTHI-TV.com. As for Shoup, he's being appointed a lawyer with an automatic not guilty plea. He's due back in court in September with a jury trial set for October 18th. If he's convicted, Shoup faces a maximum 20 years in prison. Patrice, back to you.
All right, thank you, Lacey.